Hello, good day. Welcome to 1 Minute Astrophotography tutorial. Today I will show you how to edit the Pleiades in Siril. Well, let's get into it. Firstly, let's begin by opening our stacked file. If you don't know how to stack, I've got a few tutorials on that. Once it's open, go to RGB and it should look like this. We want to begin by doing some cropping near the edges just to clean things up. Once that's done, we turn to color correction. Go to image processing, color collaboration, photometric color collaboration. Type M45 and click find. Select the object and make sure your focal length and pixel size looks right. Click OK. Next we go to background extraction. Generate, apply. Next we go to histogram transformation. Click auto stretch and click OK. Go to histogram transformation again and make fine adjustments if the image looks overexposed. Next, remove green noise. Once that's done, do some saturation. We want to bring those blues out. And that's it. This image is ready for further processing in Photoshop if you like. Well, there you have it. If you found this video to be helpful, you can show your appreciation by subscribing.